Welcome to our video. Today we're going to present about the present and the future of the electrical system.
Ever since the foundation of the power flight, electrical system was a pivotal role in maintaining proper flight characteristics that ensures the safety of the pilots.
Most notably by being able to provide sufficient power to essential aircraft components.
We will examine modern systems and redundancies that are in place in modern aircraft.
First, the battery is definitely an indispensable component that is needed in every aircraft requiring electrical operation. The battery distributes multiple purposes when considering its function. It ensures the start of auxiliary power units and aircraft engines, provides the crucial display of avionic equipment and emergency power in the event of an avionic failure, in addition to any component operating by fly-by-wire system and navigational aid employing electricity.
The alternator operates by belts, converting mechanical energy into electrical energy.
An alternator can have two different procedures of operation. These are called the direct current alternator and the alternating current alternator.
In order to convert alternating current to direct current, a rectifier must be placed in to convert that current.
The alternator is who keeps charging the battery, and in case of any alternator failure, the battery is going to work as a backup system to provide energy to all the equipment.
In smaller planes, battery condition status will be shown by the ammeter.
The generator also encompasses itself a both direct and alternating current. The direct generator is only optimal at producing electricity in certain configurations. When engine RPM is moderate to minimal, the direct current generator does not fabricate enough electricity to distribute towards the aircraft electrical components. Furthermore, to combat this effect, a control circuit is installed to maintain the correct voltage throughout the system for optimal utilization.
The AC generator obtains fewer necessities and requirements. The direct current generator would have to utilize several pieces of machinery if the obtainable output was to be desired. When considering AC power, an inverter or numerous rectifiers must be fitted to achieve this demand.
The APU, auxiliary power unit, can be defined as a gas turbine engine.
Within the main functions is to start the engine and provide electrical power in some phases of the flight.
The ground power unit, GPU, enables the same function and purpose as the APU, auxiliary power unit. The GPU is an external power source, as it must be connected to the aircraft. This does not entail the GPU to be obsolete, as the source can either be fixed or movable when attached to a vehicle.
The electrical system has progressed spontaneously to provide efficient integration within the system, considering entire aircraft designs that functions only on electricity itself.
The main purpose of the E-Fusion, a Hungarian design aircraft, is to provide aerobatic training.
The E-Fusion applies a completely integrated electrical system that in a sense creates an electrically driven aircraft. The priority of this aircraft will be used to conduct low operating recovery training and aerobatic training, with the advantage of utilizing eco-friendly power.
In addition to the E-Fusion, another equally interesting design is the E-Genius. The E-Genius only consumes a fifth of the energy than that of its opponents, yet still providing the optimal performance as opposed to its rival counterparts.
The electrical drive source works reliably well, with minimal to no noise and excellent energy efficiency when operating.
The X-57 Maxwell was created by the brilliant minds of the NASA.
The X-57 Maxwell is a proponent of the reduction of fuel use, harmful emissions as a result of fuel consumption, and to reduce noise level intensity as seen on some conventional aircraft. In addition, it will provide a 500% increase in cruise efficiency when obtaining a particular power setting for a desired and specific configuration when airborne.
The most notable feature of this aircraft is directed to the numerical value of fitted propellers. The Maxwell is equipped with a staggering amount of 14 propeller power plants, with 8 mounted on either wing and 2 of which are large wingtip cruise motors.
The wingtip propellers are extremely powerful as compared with the rest of the group.
The airplane's favorable cruise altitude is around 9,000 feet and its speed is around 175 miles per hour and 150 knots.
The Maxwell will have 14 separate batteries for which each will be assigned properly to a power plant. The Sunflyer will be provided as a single-engine land, flight training aerobatic aircraft. This aircraft is accompanied with solar panel technology for in-flight recharging, in the event that VFR conditions exist. The duration of the aircraft will be approximately 3 hours without the necessity of recharging, unless the solar panels are able to harness the sun's photogenic rays.
The electrically driven aircraft is supplied with a single electric motor powered by 5 lithium-ion battery set. Within the cockpit, the aircraft presents an iPad that can be utilized as a primary flight display if desired. It has the ability to illustrate nearly every component in respect to aircraft instrumentation, motor and battery operation, engine gauge limitations, and flight type plus physical location.
Alice, issued with a 980 kilowatt per hour battery. This will allow the aircraft to fly 600 miles. This also has a V-tail impression and has 2 propellers on each wingtip and 1 propeller on the rear.
The aircraft is entirely structured with composite materials, perpetuating what seems to be the endless amount of efficiency with minimal to zero drag. Designers have estimated that these electrically driven aircraft will have an increase in performance through advancement of technology from early battery use to what technology has for us today, to continuous pursuit of energy efficiency.
We can expect a future regarding electrically operated flights, avoiding the use of fuel and making it environmental friendly. Thank you and welcome aboard.
Clear for takeoff, runway 227.